Here we have that beautiful bottom angle with that beautiful gray dial. They call it the grenade rubber strap. Here we have it on this beautiful grenade. They call it the grenade rubber strap because it looks like a grenade. It's cool. I like this strap because it matches that dial of the world, like crosshairs. Let's go ahead and show off the condition now. Here we have that beautiful bottom angle with that beautiful gray dial. Here's the bottom left. So the case side. So right here on this little dot, you can go ahead and use your pusher. Here's the top left. Here's the top of the watch. Top right. And the crown side. Bottom right. And I love this black dial. It's a sunburst charcoal gray color with a rim of black. So it looks really nice, and it has like the little hairs or the little markers, second markers showing orange. So I love the color scheme. I really like the black and orange color scheme on this one. All right, so let's go over this. It has the clasp right here. Opening it up, has the open clasp, and it's still fully stickered. Here we have the case back in beautiful condition. So let's go ahead and start to show the functions of this watch. We do have once this watch is popped out, you can go ahead and manually wind the watch from here. And pulling this out is going to go ahead and change your hands. So let me give you a 24-hour sweep. That way you can see the date move on its own. So there you go. Change to the 20th. Let's go ahead and set it to 6:30. That way we can actually change the dates. There you go. And let me go ahead and grab this pusher tool. So you use this pusher tool just to set the date. So let's see what date it is. So it's 23rd. There you go. Another function this watch has is it does have a chronograph. So to start it, you just press this button, and to stop it, you press this button. And if you want to reset it, you press this bottom pusher. Boom. There you go. All right, let's go ahead and set this watch down and go over the set contents now. So this one does have an extra orange strap. This one does have the certificate of origin. Here we do have a library booklet. This one, collector's library booklet, gives you some history about Patek Philippe. Has the pusher as well, as I showed you before. Go ahead and tuck it in here. Has a specific slot for it, so you can put it right here. That way you can have your pusher, and that way you know where it is. All right, I hope you enjoyed this watch. Thanks.